In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable GitHub Copilot in Visual Studio Code. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. All right, let's jump right in. First, you'll need to install the GitHub Copilot extension in Visual Studio Code, or vscode for short. So, go ahead and open your vscode application. Once you're in, you'll see a sidebar on the left side of your screen. Look for the icon that resembles 4 squares. It's the Extensions icon. Simply click on it to open up the Extensions Marketplace. Once you're on the Extensions page, you'll find a search bar at the top. Type in GitHub Copilot and hit Enter. After a moment, you should see the GitHub Copilot extension pop up in the search results. When you find it, go ahead and click that Install button. This is the first and crucial step to adding Copilot to your coding environment. Now that it's installed, you'll notice a GitHub link appear on the extension page. Go ahead and click that link. What will happen next is a new browser window will open up. This is where you need to authorize the connection between VS Code and your GitHub account. If you're already logged into GitHub in your browser, it might automatically recognize you. If not, don't worry. You can easily log in here. If you don't have a GitHub account yet, you'll need to create one. Just follow the prompts to set up your account. It's a pretty straightforward process. Once you've logged in or created your account, you'll authorize the app to access your GitHub repositories. Don't worry, this is just so GitHub Copilot can work effectively with your projects. It is a safe process that allows the tool to give you code suggestions based on your code context. With that authentication step complete, it's a good idea to explore some of the features that GitHub Copilot has to offer. Head back into VS Code and go to your profile settings. Here, you can enable any specific feature previews that pique your interest. For example, if you're into data science, you might want to enable the Jupyter support. This flexible capability will help Copilot better assist you with your coding tasks. Now let's get into the fun part, coding. Go back to your main VS Code window and open up a file. It can be any programming file where you need some assistance. Now start typing a comment about what you want to do next in your code. This is the moment when GitHub Copilot kicks into gear. It will analyze what you've typed so far and begin to suggest some code for you. You'll notice that as you write, Copilot provides contextually relevant suggestions right in your editor. It's like having a coding buddy right there with you. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled GitHub Copilot in Visual Studio Code. With this powerful tool at your fingertips, you'll be coding more efficiently in no time. Thanks for joining me today.